today we're going to take a look at how you can just keep track of your spending in Excel. And basically this is how I'm going to do it. I've already set like a table up. I'll show you how I made this table. Basically just type in the columns, then you go up here to the fill bucket to obviously fill in the colours that you like. Just drag and that to select which ones you want, then colour them in. So like if we change those ones, we just change them back like so. To get the black lines, all you do, you probably have to click the little drop down arrow up here, but you want the all borders one, so it looks like this. So we've set this up. You can add other columns. This works for this is just to show like proof concept what you could do, and obviously you can tailor it to your own needs. So what we've done here is we've done bills, shopping, and like extra stuff for our like keeping track. You can put other things in as costs, but what we're going to do is we'll show you how you can do things. So obviously if you want to track the dates that you spent and stuff, you don't have to do any formatting on this, but if you press like, so we're just working on like February, I don't know why, but if we put in like 2, which will be the 2nd of February, and backslash, which will be the month, so it's the 2nd of February. If we show you a map, so we put 2 by 3 in, it might, if it shows like that hash, it just needs a little bit more room to breathe. I just want to make those a little bit bigger. As you can see here, you can see any pixels if you really want to make it like nice and everything. And if you want to put these dates to the sides, like some of you might, you can just click the whole column, like I've clicked the whole A column there. Just go up here and align to left. So we do that from all the dates, and we'll just put another one in, 3 out of 3. And for this one, we'll just put March, April, since we're doing different months. So you can see that's how you put the dates in. So next we're going to have a look at how we can make these into pounds, because it's pretty easy to see when it's in pounds. All you want to do is we're just going to click the column on these, since we don't have other stuff under our columns. We're just going to click that, and you're going to go up here into the home tab, and you're going to see accounting format number. You can click there your currency. As you can see, we do this for them all, and we'll also do it over here as well, but we'll come to that a bit at the end. So if you want to add all these amounts up, all we're going to do is click in the box down here where I've put the total, and we're going to go over here to sum on the top bar, and you're going to see it's going to choose in a range. We've got C2 to C16, which is what we want. We're just going to tab, and it's added all that up for us. We can do the same in our shopping one, and we do the same in our extra bits. So one of the cool things is this automatically adds up. So let's say we go and do another shop, we go to Asda and we spend like 45, it'll automatically update, and that's the same for all of those columns. But what we really want to do is we want to establish like how much money we have left over after we've spent, like theoretically. But you can add to these columns, and so let's say we've got a budget of like 2,500, there's our budget. So to work this one out, what we're going to want to do is we're going to put equals. We're going to want to click our budget amount, so that's L1, and then we're going to go minus our extras, minus our shopping total. So we're just clicking on these cells, minus this one here for our bills. And as you can see there, that's telling us how much we have left. Obviously, if you've got more columns and you've added more different like categories, you'll need to just add minus each one. So let's say we just add another thing. We buy a game or something, and that was like £60. As you can see, that automatically updates, and it also affects what's left over. If we put in, say we put in a bill for more than we've got, you'll see there that it goes into brackets, and basically these brackets mean it's like minus, if you will, it's more than there is available. So if we delete that, you'll see the brackets disappear. So this is basically my simple way of how you could create a spreadsheet to keep track of like your spending, your costs, and all that, if you want to kind of see where your money's going each month. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.